Hello and welcome to Wolf Canmore. Today we're looking at a 2021 Silverado 1500 Trail Boss. And moving on to the interior with power windows and door locks, keyless entry, has a Bose sound system with heated front seats and a heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, of course XM radio, and a nice sunroof up there. This 2021 Silverado Trail Boss has a 5.3 liter paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive and four-wheel drive. Lots of room in the rear passenger compartment with seating for three. Has the heavy-duty Chevrolet floor mats and a couple of power outlets as well for the passengers. Thank you for shopping at Wolf Canmore. If you have any questions about our 2021 Silverado Trail Boss, please give us a call at 403-678-4222. Thanks very much.